If you're running an event with pay what you want or sliding scale pricing, you can offer this easily using ticket types. To start, open the event from the Events tab of your dashboard. Open Edit Event and Tickets from the left-hand menu and scroll to Create Ticket Types. You can see here that I've created ticket types for each price level. For example, I don't want to pay costs £0. Student and low-income tickets are £5. I'll add another tier for customers who have more money to spend, which can offset the costs of the lower tiers. When you're happy with the final list of ticket prices, you can publish your event.